Okay. So next is phoneme identification. So far we did the two activities that we discussed is based on phoneme isolation. Now this one is phoneme identification. So they have to identify. Okay. So recognizing same sounds in right now what you can hear is the sound of
Dog.
dog barking, right? The bus sound.
Sound of what?
Okay. Same sound in different words. For example, what sound is same in cup, cat, and car? If you ask this to your children, what they need to do is they need to identify, okay, the sounds that are similar in these three words, right? Right now you can see the print, but when you so many dogs here. Okay, so when you do this activity orally in class, they have to be very patiently listening to you because they are not seeing the word, right? They only hear your speech. Cup, cat, car. So they have to pay attention, listen to whatever you are saying, and then identify which sounds are similar. Okay, so all of you can just right now you can see that. Assume you are not able to see the word. If you just have to listen to cup, cat, car. Can you identify?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, easy, right? For us as teachers, even children, I think they can do that once they know about the sounds produced by the letters of the alphabet, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So the sound is k, right? Okay, let's do one more. Oh God. If I say people, people, paper, pandemic. So what sound is similar? P, right? Yeah. Yeah. So this is how you can say phoneme identification. Okay, activity is done.